Yes, I'm very surprised. There are a lot of fans, there are a lot of people. It's like follow me, send message to me. My name is Everton. I have 28 years. I'm striker. I'm Brazilian player. It's the long flight, the long way. So I stay more than the 50 hours in Oman. It's almost 2 days to come here, but I'm here already now, and I hope we can make a great season. Yes, I'm very surprised. There are a lot of fans, there are a lot of people. It's like follow me, send message to me. I have some friends play here before. I can't wait to see everyone. I hope we can make a very good season. I hope we score many goals and give us chance to help my team. Hello everyone, I'm very happy to be here. Thank you for all support. I can't wait to see everyone.
Beach volley or basketball?
Beach one.
Jazz or rock?
No one.
Sweet or salty?
Sweet.
Neymar or Vinicius?
Neymar.